So you just drove in from where? Oklahoma?
Oklahoma.
Wow. And
1,500 miles.
1,500. How long were you in the car seat driving?
Oh, a little over 20 hours.
Okay. So you have some discomfort, some stress right now?
Pain down the side, through the back of the leg.
Okay.
Stiff and sore in the hip.
Okay.
Or whatever that is.
Okay. So we're going to do a chiropractic analysis and treatment. An adjustment. We've done this before. You've had this done.
Yeah.
So you know the routine. Basically, this is a non-force technique. What I love about this technique is it's safe, it's gentle, it's effective. It can be used with babies, it can be used with the elderly. And more so, it's very specific. It tells you where to adjust, when to adjust, and when not to adjust. So there's a rationale for the adjustment. It's not just pop and pray. It's a very specific analysis to yield a specific adjustment. Okay. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to put this here. So just allow your arms to the right side. So each instruction I give Craig is really to diagnose a specific segment of the spine that might be out of alignment, causing nerve interference. So what we'll start with is leg lengths and see if there's any leg length discrepancy. And there is. Craig, can you turn your head to the right and back to the middle, and then to the left and back to the middle? And so now I can see that he has a reactive short leg, which I'm going to be using as a tester as we go forward. So as I tip the legs up to 90, you can see that one leg actually gets a little longer than the other. And that tells me there's an imbalance in the pelvis, a twist in the pelvis. So I'm going to just check that and make sure. And there is. This one leg again reacts to that challenge. We call it a challenge. You touch this side of the pelvis. So nothing reacts. But again, if I push this side of the pelvis upward like this, one leg clearly reacts or lengthens. So the way, Craig, I'm going to have to explain this to you. I'm going to use this instrument which delivers a very precise impulse, and it's calibrated that the speed of the instrument, the speed of the impulse that the instrument generates compensates for the force. So there's no twisting, popping, cracking of the spine. That's why it's so safe. So this is what you're going to feel, Craig. How's that? Feel good? So it's very gentle, but it's very specific. So I'm going to go ahead and just adjust Craig. Okay, come back up, and now the legs stay even instead of one leg getting longer. Craig, could you put your right hand on your lower back and put it down, so no change. Put the left arm up. No change. Put both arms up. No change. Squeeze your legs together and let go. No change. Testing for the hips. Okay, no change. Just want to make sure. Test that again. Okay, the other side. Okay, good. Bring your right arm overhead, Craig. And again, I can see a change in the leg length. So that tells me there's an imbalance in the spine. So bring your arm down. So I'm going to come up to T12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I touch here, Craig, can you feel this? Is this sensitive?
Yes.
So again, each motion test tells me what level of the spine to address. So this is for T12, thoracic 12, and I deliver a thrust to that area. Put your right arm up again, and now the legs are perfectly balanced. Bring your arm down. Do the same with the left arm, and bring it back down. And both arms, and bring it back down. Now, turn your face to the right. And again, I can see a change in the leg lengths. So bring your head back to the middle. So this area of the spine is T6, so I can again adjust the instrument. So I come up to T6, and you feel that, right, Craig? So again, I know right away where to adjust. It's not an arbitrary thing. So turn your head again to the right, and now the legs are perfectly balanced. Lift your right shoulder and drop it down. Squeeze your right elbow into your body and relax it. Squeeze your left elbow, relax it. Shrug both shoulders towards your ears. Okay, and I can see again a little just chip. Keep your head to the right, Craig. So do that again. Shrug your shoulders. And again, the leg lengths change. That tells me there's a subluxation or area of nerve interference there. That's at T1. Roll your shoulders backwards, Craig. Make a circle. Okay, that's fine. Bring your head back to neutral. And that's okay. So I want to come up and adjust T1. So I'm going to again lower the setting in the instrument. So you feel this, Craig, in here? How's this?
Not as much as the others, but I can feel some.
Okay. About here?
That's more sensitive.
Okay. Lift your head, and look straight ahead, and put it down, and tuck your chin to your chest. Bring your chin over down, and let go. Now, just press your right hip into the table, and relax it. Press your left hip into the table, relax it. Okay, good. Press both knees into the table, relax. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to get you up, Craig. So again, what I like about this technique is it's very specific, it's very safe, and it does the job. How do you feel? And those places that I adjusted, did that feel like I was on target there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you feel different?
This feels better.
Okay, good. So
And
again,
actually, the eyes feel a little clearer too.
okay, great. So again, it points out that the problem is not always where you feel the problem to be, even though Craig talked about his hips. We found places of interference to the nervous system in the lower thoracic area, in the mid-thoracic area, well, of course, in the pelvis itself as well. So again, it's highly specific, highly, you can check your results right away, and this is a very safe way to look at your spine to get a good chiropractic adjustment.